So guys, we are inside our sample project. Tab on empty space to unselect everything. Now look for sticker. Scroll down to the end of the list and select get more. Then go to icons and look for national flag. As you can see, each national flag option have a specific number of flags. If we tap on play, we can see the preview of which national flags this set have. Now tap on this button to download the set. Go back to the sticker list, select national flag option, select the flag you want to use. Now resize and reposition the flag where you want. After that, give the sticker layer proper duration. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.